Ready to ditch scattered emails and confusing spreadsheets and streamline your project management? Let's dive in. First, head to the Jira website and sign up for an account. You might need to go through the sign up process then. Go ahead and log in. Okay. Now you're looking at your dashboard. This is your command center. You'll find a list of your projects and quick access to all the features. To get started, create your first project. Click the Create Project button. Now, you'll see some project templates. Choose a template that fits your needs, such as software development or project management. Then, give your project a name and click Create. Now, let's add some work. The core unit of Jira is the issue. These represent tasks, bugs, or any piece of work. Click Create. Typically, at the very top in the issue creation form, give your issue a summary, a description, and assign it to someone. Your issues are usually visualized on a board here. You can drag and drop issues between statuses like To Do, In Progress, and Done. This represents your tasks. This is where you can now start using it, manage issues, and collaborate with your team. So simple. That's the basics. Keep exploring and consider looking into other features. Start using Jira, and you'll quickly become a project management master.